In this video, I will show you how to unblock friends on Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, in order to unblock a friend on Roblox, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Now, if I come across to my friends list, so what you want to do is come across to the left-hand side to this menu and click onto friends, and anyone that you've blocked is not going to appear in your friends list. So what you need to do is actually use the search box at the top to search for your friends. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually just go ahead and block one of my friends. So what I'm going to do is take this person here. I'm just going to click onto them to go to their profile. And what I'm going to do is make a note of their username here. So I'm just going to copy this for data. And then what I'm going to do is click onto the three dots and block this user just like so. Now, if I come back to my friends list, of course, you're going to see they're not shown in my friends. So if I actually come up to the search box at the top, what I'm going to do is paste their username into here. And of course, we want to select in people, and that's going to take me across to their user. Now, what I can do is click onto their profile to be taken to their profile page. This is the one that we previously blocked. And to unblock them, all you need to do is simply click onto the three dots again, and you're going to see an option to unblock user. Now, when you do this, of course, you're going to get a pop-up saying, are you sure you want to unblock this user? So make sure to click unblock, and that's going to unblock them. Now, what's going to happen is when you block someone, they're going to be removed as a friend as well. So you do need to re-add them as a friend when you unblock them, as blocking a person does automatically remove them as a friend as well. So that is how to unblock friends on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.